This is the EndeavourOS. On the bottom left, you get a Windows Start menu style menu. Uh, so if you click on accessories, you will find application manager, screenshot, software token. It uses Thunar as its file manager. So it is Thunar. Here you can see I have a 1 terabyte of hard disks. Uh, you can also, it is based on Arch Linux platform. Uh, it is running from the live USB feature. This is the Endeavour website. So it says create your own destiny. Okay, so it's Arch based. There, and this is let's check which. This is the terminal. It has a slight transparency to it. On the terminal it says terminal live user at Arch ISO. So let's see if it is XF, which desktop environment it is using. So if I press XFCE in tab, yeah, it is using XFCE. So let's check. No, it's XFCE. So it's XFCE version, and you can if you go into start menu, you see you get a Ristretto image viewer for image viewing, and in internet you get Avahi, Secure, SSH browser, E-Links, Firefox, GFTP, and transmission as your BitTorrent application. For multimedia you get Parole Media Player, Pulse Audio Volume Control, and in Office you get ePDF Viewer. Okay, and there are settings which are, I think, common to all the Linux system other than the color profile, and okay, so here are the buttons to shut down and here are the buttons to shut down and restart EndeavourOS. If you look at the bottom section of the screen, you will find a clock, and if you press the clock you will get a calendar, normal calendar. You can change the date, year. Okay, so this is what it look like. So my system has a 2 gigabit of RAM. So this is, and on the bottom screen you get a system profiler icon. If you press on this, you get a system information dialog box, which has all the information. And operating system is EndeavourOS Linux, RAM, motherboard, graphics, storage. Okay, this is the summary. and so this is the kernel version which I am running, 5.11.14-arch1-1. And if you are going to benchmark CPU blowfish, this places my result in between AMD Athlon 7750 and CPU Intel Core 2 CPU 6700. So it's not as bad, but basically it is a arch system and I have a little experience in using arch system, and they are offering a quite a bit of flavor. Almost all the standard desktop environments that you can think of. Mate is there, Cinnamon is there, Gnome, Plasma, Budgie, LXQT, i3WM. I have never used i3WM. Sway, BSP, they are new. I have also not used Budgie, but I have used LXQT, Plasma, Gnome, Cinnamon, XFSE, Mate. Okay, so that's your OS. So the live disk, it does not have any OS, means any bloatware into it. So it's a pretty clean operating system. So it also does not have any notes taking application. It has this meld CMA Qt designer for your uh, it has a text editor for your, in which, let's see which text editor it is. If I go into help and about, it's XED. It's XED ED